Hi, Chad. Oh, welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? Which is the part that's loose? I don't know. One of these. There we go. Let's see. It's our normal stream day for once. It's been a bit. It is Saturday, August 10th of 2024, and we are back for yet another one. Got a few subs to replay. Where are the... Oh, there was no message. Got a few subs to replay. I was wondering why the icons were different in the Streamlabs dashboard, but for reasons. Drunk Time Lord has resubbed at 41 months. Huge, huge indeed. We've also got Outdated Version, 50 months. Holy shit. God damn. Thank you for your continued support. We've also got Snipsy, who has resubbed at 3 months. You've been here for way longer than 3 months, Snipsy. Oh, you must have made a new account. But congrats on your fancy new badge there. And thank you all for your continued support. Really appreciate you all stopping by. We're almost at our 4-year anniversary. Where are you taking me out for dinner? We're past 4 years. Almost 4 years in a row. You're at 50. I owe you one, I guess. Oh, you can't see because I have the wrong screen up. You're at 50 already. We're long past that. Now it's dinner and a movie. But yeah, let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we will jump into things. Snipsy was here before the stream started. I saw you. I saw that. JJMC is also here. Hello, hello. You were first today. Junk Time Lord, how you doing? Good to see you. Pandoxer is also here. Hello, hello. Snipsy says, did you know that keeping chicken not only reduces your food waste, but also increases your scratches and potentially getting woken up at sunrise? Yeah? Although, do chickens do that, or do roosters do that? I mean, roosters are just chickens, but depends on what kind of chickens you got. Anyway, Cat Peasant's also here. I keep chicken in my stomach, much quieter that way. You're putting live chicken in your stomach. That's spooky. That's how you, well, I guess raw chicken. I guess live chicken is a special type of raw chicken. Bingham is also here. Hello, hello. She says, I now want a double fried cheese-filled chicken breast with a side of garlicky California-style cheese fries. Do you put... Is cheese and chicken a thing? I don't eat chicken, so I don't know. But, like... Is that a thing? Oh boy, here we go. Time says, did you know that in terms of male, human, and female Python learning, Anthonk is the most compatible channel for humans? Not only is Anthonk in the Pogrammers group, oh man, I misread my own group, which is mostly consisted of poggers, it's also on average 4'11" tall and 13.4x engineers, which means it can handle almost any coding task. Why does that sound like it was AI generated? Sounds like it was that sounds like AI generated. Venth, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Snipsy says, made a new account. I'm sure I'm roughly at 2 years. Yeah, that sounds about right. It sounds about right. Randall, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Coning, guys, good to see you again. Panaxer says, date idea, pair debugging dead snakes on a 13-inch screen. A teeny tiny screen? I don't think I've used a screen that small since... Well, I guess my phone. But, I even think... I guess laptop screens. Yeah, laptop screen. Although, I don't know if I ever had... I think I always had a 15-inch laptop. I had like a 14.2 once, which is a weird one. It was like... It wasn't 16:9, it was 4:3. It was weird. Captain says, I got a headache, so I'm lurking mostly. Sounds good, sounds good. Time Lord says, I guess I'm somewhat of an AI. Oh no. Kevin says, I've changed jobs and the new one's using pre-commit. Nice! That's cool, that's cool. No, a 13-inch phone would be huge. This is my baby phone here. It's not baby, it's still huge. It's still bigger than it needs to be. But yeah. Tipsy says, I'm forced at work for a tiny screen. At home, used to a 32-inch one. At work, it's like top 18. That sucks. That's rough. Kevin says she should debug dead snakes on a CRT. I don't own a CRT anymore. I don't think. Yeah, I don't own a CRT. Anyway, let's talk about open source / closed source since last time. Where's my fucking graph? Here it is. So I was bored and I was poking around the pre-commit CI dashboard, and I noticed something a little bit off. This is the error rate for all of the lambdas that pre-commit CI runs. And you'll notice that the error rate is pretty close to 100. Well, wait. Pretty close to, I don't fucking know how to read this graph. 100%? Is it percent over here? Count over here? Yeah. 100% error rate. But also 80% success rate? I have no fucking idea. Maybe this is green is success rate. Okay, that makes more sense. 75% success rate. Yeah, well, it even says down here. Anyway, a lot of lambdas were erroring. It turns out that they didn't actually matter for the operation of pre-commit CI. I have this one lambda that records stats for like runtime and stuff, basically, so I can look at pretty graphs. And I haven't I haven't checked those graphs in months. Yeah, and most of the graph is still working. It's just a very specific case it's not working. And I probably would have noticed that the metrics were missing if I would have looked at it, but I just didn't, because I, don't really care about the... I don't care about the metrics graphs. I made them so that I could see them if I needed to, and I haven't needed to. So anyway, I saw that this was erroring, and I was like, wait, which lambda is erroring? Now, I probably should have had, like, Sentry or something set up. Aimless plug for work. I should have had some sort of error monitoring for lambdas set up, but I didn't. And I still don't, and that's fine. But went through all my lambdas, found it was when I upgraded this this one from... Actually, I'm not sure if I did this. Because I know when I upgraded from Python 3.8 to Python 3.10, there's an interesting quirk. Oops. Python 3.8. Import decimal. Import datetime. Datetime from timestamp decimal dot decimal some number. Yeah. There is this deprecation warning that has been happening for a while, and I just never saw it because I didn't expect Lambda to call me with decimals for integers in like any of the places. And this is actually one of the really annoying quirks of Dynamo just in general, is Dynamo only has one number type, and it's represented as a string, I think, in the actual store. And so it's serialized as a decimal in Python. And even if you feed integers into it, you're going to get decimals out. Even if you feed floats into it, you're going to get decimals out. And I didn't think that bled into Lambda land, but turns out that, yes, it definitely does. And thinking about it more, yeah, that makes sense. Like, it should preserve the same types here. But anyway, datetime used to be able to serialize from a decimal in 3.8, but when I upgraded to 3.10, when I upgraded to 3.10, you get a new type here. And so this is what the Lambda was crashing on. But easy enough to fix, and now you can see the success rate has gone to 100% and errors have gone to 0. Hooray! I fixed it! Yay! And this is how I fixed it. Basically adjusted the type hint to properly capture this. Then MyPy pointed out this was a problem. Then I wrapped it in int, and the problem goes away. I also wrote a test to show that both the integer form and the decimal form get resolved in the same way. And turns out that it's never actually passed in the integer form, it's always passed in the decimal form, so technically I could get rid of the integer, but it felt better to make it handle both, and it wasn't any extra little code to do that. So anyway, that was a little fix since last time. Matthias, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh boy, I'm way behind on chat. Emil says, do you have any thoughts on Mapbox, the map company, if you've ever used their service? I have not used their service. Last time I did mapping was at Yelp, and we were mostly using Google Maps, and I think at some point we were switching to a hybrid of that, partially because we didn't want to pay Google so much fucking money. I say we. I haven't worked at Yelp in a decade. But no, I don't know anything about Mapbox. Stimpsy says, do CRTs even work on modern GPUs? That's a good question, because I don't think any modern GPU ships with damn, what are they even called? VGA. Like, I haven't seen a VGA plug in years. So you would probably have to do some sort of conversion to even run it, or find an old ass GPU with VGA. But I don't know what you would like. CRTs don't have great resolution, so it's not like you're worried about high quality graphics anyway. Tom says I've been running code on a 13-inch laptop exclusively for the past couple of months, and it's fine, I guess. I can teach their own. If I have two 13-inch laptops, does it make it 26 inches? Actually not, due to the math. It makes it slightly less than 26, because it's the diagonal. And when you... Alright, we're getting some paint out in here. A bit. I'm just explaining my thought here. Like, we have two approximately... Oh god, I should just copy paste them. Two approximately 16 by 9 laptops. And so if we know that this is 13, should give that a different color. Yeah, different color. Describe our diagrams better. Woo. If these diagonals are 13. Oh my god, that's huge font size. It's too small now. 13-inch. Bleep. We know that that's 13-inch. And we draw our new red line here. That is our new diagonal. We know that this orange... Oop, hey, red. We know that this orange segment must be less than 13. So that means that overall it's less than 26. I don't know why I did this. Anyway. Yeah, because it's triangles. Triangles, man. Triangles. I have a channel for this, don't I? I haven't posted in a while. Yeah, here we go. Oh fuck, it's been a really long time. It's been months since we posted a paint drawing. Here we go. Anyway, it doesn't mean 26. Kanchiga says, hello, did I hear pretty graphs? I mean, kind of. They don't work right now. I mean, they probably work now, but they didn't work for months. Can't have an error rate if the stuff that's erroring out doesn't matter. Big brain. I mean, yeah, it's like a non-important failure. Wusa says Anthong is live. What a good surprise. Hello, Wusa. How you doing? Drunk Timer says I betrayed the community. I've been running Zig exclusively for a couple weeks, and I kind of love it. Oh, that's cool. I feel like when I tried to write Zig, I was not happy with it. I was not. It felt like too much work to write. Do you have low-level language knowledge before using Zig? Yeah, I mean, you kind of need to. It is a high-level language in the same way that C is a high-level language. But Mapbox is like Dropbox for maps, and less dropping. Drunk Timer says I knew very, very basics of C and x86 assembly, just the facts that structs and call stack and heap exist. Yeah, I mean, that's probably all you really need. And it's like saying like you need low-level programming to write Go. I mean, Go is a fairly low-level language, but you know, any potato can write Go. Oh, Wada, hello. Happy weekend, y'all. How was your week? Oh, it was a week. Had a pretty late model CRT in high school that had a display port. A DisplayPort CRT? What? I can't believe that. That's crazy. Really? These are all adapter things. DisplayPort is so new though. What year was DisplayPort released? Oh, fuck the AI garbage. 2006. Yeah, CRTs were... Let's see. When was the last CRT manufactured? Wow. Well, that's the AI garbage. 2015? Really? Okay, I guess they overlap more than I thought. I didn't expect new CRTs that late. That 2015 doesn't sound right. Drugs. Did you have to forcefully build a habit of reading comments line by line, or that's how you do it naturally? What do you mean, like a multi-line comment? I don't know. I don't really read comments that much, unless I don't know what's going on. I was asking because I want to learn a low-level language and was thinking about learning C, but if I choose C, it would only be for learning. Zig, on the other hand, would be for learning and making my own tools. Like Rust would be a better choice. Rust would be a better choice. Wayback Clink says, hi, the first time watching your live stream, but I have watched you on YouTube for a year. Nice. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for stopping by. Snipsy says, I did convert from VGA to HDMI to DisplayPort. Okay. That makes sense. Usa says, at one point it was a 10 stream streak. Sorry, oh, you're down to 3 only. Bro. Depends if the water's cold, yeah. Anthony writes Pythagoras, indeed. One comment says, what's better to have 1 6er or 2 3ers? I mean, if you had 2 3ers, that would be wild. Consulas, yeah, Consulas is one of my favorite fonts, Paratroid. Welcome by the way. 2015, right? That seems way too late. Usa says, did you call C a high-level language and Go a low-level one? I was being a little bit facetious in that a lot of C programmers like to call C a high-level language. I mean, in a way it is. Like it is, you know, you're not writing assembly. But yeah, no, they are both. I mean, I would probably say Go is more of a high-level language than C, if we're being honest. But relative to like Ruby, I don't think there's any real comparison there. Thank you for the resub at 21 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And I appreciate your continued support. Probably for some very old medical system. Probably Twitch comments. What does that mean? Did I say Twitch comments instead of YouTube comments? Wait, what? I'm confused now. Probably for some very old medical system, possibly, or Super Smash Bros. Players. I know, like, Melee players will die by their fucking CRTs. Hey, D-Delps, thank you for the resub at 44 months. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Even my third world country, LCDs have been more popular for like 15 years. Yeah, that's kind of my expectation as well. All right, so, oh, did you have to forcefully build the habit of reading Twitch comments sequentially? The way I do it is, I have a little browser extension that, well, not a browser extension. I have a user script that lets me click on my place in chat, so I remember where I am, and then I just go in order, roughly. Yeah, that's the behind the curtains. Ta-da! CRTs are kept in production for people who want to play Duck Hunt. Yeah, I gotta track the scan lines. All right. Anyway, so as I alluded to in the stream title, oops, I'm a maintainer of another project. Oh no! It's the pyuwsgi wheels project, which, if you don't know, and now you can be like, Anthony, you have a GPL'd project? I know, I don't like it either. If you don't know, pyuwsgi is a hilariously overcomplicated application server for Python. Well, not for Python, but it's popular in Python. It also works for a whole bunch of other shit. James Boyd, it has been forever. Welcome back. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. But yeah, pyuwsgi is a hilariously overcomplicated application server that is particularly popular in synchronous Python. And yeah, I've used this at every company I've worked at except for Stripe, because I don't think we had any live Python servers. And even at Lyft, well, Lyft we didn't use it much because we were garbage ass G-event unicorn sadness. I don't miss any of that. That shit fucking sucked. But anyway, Sentry uses pyuwsgi to run all of our Python services. I missed opportunity, but yo, it's true. Let's go. Yeah, Sentry uses pyuwsgi, and we specifically use pyuwsgi so that we can pre-build wheels for it for all the platforms that we care about. Because pyuwsgi turns out is not really wheelable. I mean, it is, but it's not. pyuwsgi is not really designed to be relocated in the way that you would want for a wheel. And like you can kind of force it by either static linking or RPath or various tricks, but pyuwsgi itself is not really designed to be wheeled. What pyuwsgi does is it takes the pyuwsgi binary and turns it into a C extension instead. And so it kind of flips the responsibility a little bit from pyuwsgi in order to make it easily wheelable. Flipping the responsibility in that, like, when you run pyuwsgi, it starts as a C program and then instantiates the Python interpreter to run your Python code. Whereas with pyuwsgi, you have a Python interpreter that's running, you import the pyuwsgi module, and then it rebootstraps all of that through the C layer. So it's a little flip there. And we're currently running this version in production, 2.0.23.post0, which is a little bit old. The latest version of pyuwsgi is 2.0.26. And it turns out, and I will show you this fun little problem. Let me make a little demo. We'll start with Python 3.11 just to show you what it does there, because it is running in production with Python 3.11. Pip install pyuwsgi, and we need our little file here. A little shell script and pyuwsgi.py. If you're not familiar with the pyuwsgi spec, this is basically a very simple hello world program. Oop, that I pasted twice for some reason. Damn it. I lost the last line there. Anyway, this is a very simple hello world program. You can tell that I didn't write it because this code looks like shit. But it is, yeah, this is the minimal pyuwsgi app that produces hello world. I'm actually going to adjust it so it just prints a dot instead, because that'll make it a little bit simpler here. And if we run this, what? Cannot set GID as non-root user. What the fuck? Oh, do I have UID set in here? Yeah, okay, we'll get rid of that. Do I have GID set as well? Okay, weird. Anyway, I copy pasted that from Sentry, so that's why it's different there. But we can start a little app here, and if we actually, let's just make a new tab over here. If we run this little curl command a bunch, god damn it, why? Why does that highlight the whole fucking comment? Stupid GitHub. If we run this command a bit, you'll see that it prints dots out, and somewhere in here it reloaded. Yeah, here. So we set max requests so that eventually when it hits a certain number of requests, the process is just recycled. This is sort of to pave over memory leaks in production. And this all works great. You can see, like, you know, there's a small pause in there, but it still finishes these requests here. Now, if we adjust this script ever so slightly by adding pyuwsgi threads equals 2. So right now we were just running in multi-process mode with a single thread. Now we'll have 2 processes and 2 threads per process. So essentially 4 workers here because these are multiplied. And if we run this same thing again, you'll notice that, well, we have to go a little bit longer before it actually reaches the restart period because, wait, why is this working? Oh, is this only a problem on macOS? God damn it. Okay, apparently this is only a problem on macOS. Oh no, here we go. Here we go. Okay, so we finally reached the restart condition here. But you'll notice that it's just sort of hanging. It's chilling out. It's having a good time here. And the problem is when that particular version of pyuwsgi recycles a worker when threads are enabled, it hangs for 30 seconds until it kills those threads. And, you know, eventually these workers will recover and start serving requests again, but there's essentially a 30-second pause where they just do nothing. They do fucking nothing. And this is happening in prod at Sentry right now. There are many, many workers doing nothing, just hanging out, chilling, you know, stuck in infinite sleep while a timer ticks down until they get brutally killed. And there's nothing like special about the, like I showed you this simple little app that I had. There's no threads, there's nothing special about it. Here we go. Eventually, yeah, so eventually it kills it and finishes. That's all fine and dandy. Prod still works even with this. Like, yeah, it's a little bit wasteful. We have a bunch of processes doing nothing and not serving requests, but we have enough workers that we don't see this as a problem. Like, this isn't, you know, actively a problem here. Now, a bigger problem is I've been trying to upgrade Python to Python 3.12 at work. What the fuck? I'm done. There we go. I've been trying to upgrade Python to Python 3.12 at work. And let's try this same little demo in 3.12. This time we're going to turn off threads because it turns out that same thread problem happens in 3.12, but a bigger problem happens in 3.12. So let's run this again. Server starts up fine. We go to run a bunch of requests. Those succeed, these succeed, etc., etc. Eventually we reach the respawn period. And it turns out in Python 3.12, the processes never come back. They just die, and then they're gone for fucking forever. Yeah, which sucks. Yeah, so the version of pyuwsgi, the latest pyuwsgi that's released, is bugged. And shits the bed in this way. And so that means it's not viable for production. And also the fun thing about this is when these workers die, they can't be killed. Like, I can't sig quit or sig int them. They're really fucking dead. They're locked up in some unkillable state. I mean, you can kill them with kill-9, but kill-9 this guy. And now these will get. Why did they get reparent? What is this process? Is that the system to user process? Okay, it's system to user process. I'm surprised they don't get reparented to 1, but I guess it kind of makes sense that they would get reparented to this. It sort of serves the same purpose as an init system, but it's not. Anyway, I gotta nuke those processes because they're still They're dead, but they're zombified. And this guy. Hooray! But anyway, so that version of pyuwsgi is fucked. If we install pyuwsgi mainline, pyuwsgi, we had to build it from source. Again, can't wheel it because of wheeling shenanigans, sadness, blah blah blah. Come on, get your shit together. Well, actually, the story behind this is I rolled it out to prod, and our RPC workers fell over because they received way more requests than anything else. They reached the restart period much faster. And I didn't realize this when I rolled it out. My assumption was that something was particularly slow there, so I tried to like profile it and do a whole bunch of shit there, and ended up just like scratching my head and being like, actually, that's kind of weird. 14 of the processes die, and then the container gets nuked of the 16 processes. I wonder if they're just never coming back. And sure enough, I was able to finally reproduce this after weeks of profiling this locally and not finding anything interesting. Just scratching my head and staring at the logs I got there. But anyway, Chriswa, hello, how you doing? Welcome back. Wisa says the why you end up maintaining this package is interesting, but how it happened is also interesting. Yeah, I think this is I mean, I don't know if I don't know if I'm going to be able to make a video on this, but I think it is somewhat interesting. But anyway, if we upgrade to the latest version, the workers come back. Is the long and the short of this. And the other thing that's nice about this is even with threads enabled, even with threads enabled, they also come back. So gotta go a little bit longer before the restart happens. Apparently, yeah, here we go. So workers still come back even with threads, and they don't have that 30-second pause that they had before. So fixes both of the bugs that I found, but now I just got to get there. Ideal Gas, hello, welcome back. How you doing? Context, you can see I didn't write it because the code looks like shit. Yeah. pyuwsgi process hanging out playing Nintendo. Yeah, true. It says, wait, is this also on old versions of pyuwsgi? Yeah, 2023 is the version that's broken. So 2026 seems to work, which is good. Panax says, I'm not asleep, I'm just resting my eyes. Yeah. Sounds similar to a problem at a previous company. A similar Windows library we had would hang at the end of the process for an additional 2 hours and 30 minutes. Fuck. Useless Pony, hello, how you doing? I'm gonna steal the GNU plus Windows thing. Do it. Live your best life. But anyway, as a consequence of this, I was like, hey, this shit fucked. Can we get new versions, please? And maintainer was like, oh, cool, I'll do it. And then they're like, I don't use pyuwsgi anymore. Would you like to be a maintainer? And my honest answer to this question is absolutely fucking not. Does latest version work with 3.12? Yeah, this is it working with 3.12, and you can see the pause. Well, I'll tell you when the pause happens. Oh, no, that wasn't it. There it is. There was the pause. It said see ya in the middle there. So yeah, it works with 3.12 now. Both of the bugs are fixed. Is this the problem on pyuwsgi or on pyuwsgi too? It's also a problem on pyuwsgi. So yeah, I am shocked that no one else has hit this and complained about it. Because this is a fairly popular piece of software. But I missed the part where that's my problem. I guess it is my problem now. But anyway, I need this for work, so I'm gonna fix it. Still on 2021. It might have been a regression in a particular version, so you might be fine. Oh, it's doing a raid. It's doing a raid. Maybe it'll be shiny. There's no way. Yeah, so begrudgingly, I'm going to be a maintainer of this. I'm hoping that it doesn't take much of my time. And I don't expect it to take much of my time because honestly, there's a commit every year for this, so it's not been a big deal. But I need it for work. Otherwise, I would have said absolutely fucking not. So. Silly Laird, hello, how you doing? No one runs up-to-date Python and Python library versions? Some people do. But yeah, you're right. Oh, damn, they canceled the raid? Dicks. That's so sad. No. That one could have been the shiny one. Anyway, we're up to date on 3.7. Oof. Yeah. Anyway, so we're fixing this build today. And I've already started doing this. I did some easy parts, and now we're gonna do some hard parts. Standard pointer. Look at we right. You changed your name. How's it going? Been a minute. Indeed. Welcome back. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, anyway. So I've started fixing the build. I turned off Python 3.13 because of weird thread state garbage, because that just happens when there's a new version and pyuwsgi reaches into the internals of Python, so that's just not going to work. But we have to fix the macOS builds. And I've seen this particular problem before, so it shouldn't be too bad. But the problem here is library dependencies do not satisfy the target macOS version. So the wheel that got built is macOS 10.9 here. And it's building on macOS 13.x. And so I suspect what happened is the LinkedIn libraries. Yeah, and that's kind of what this error means. Like the LinkedIn libraries are built against a different version of macOS, and so your wheel is being not honest about the targets that it supports. And so that's why this 13.0, this is the version that the dynamic library is built against. We got to fix that, and we also have to fix this, which I don't really know what the right answer is here. It fails to install this library. It probably just needs sudo. Feels wrong, but is it? Yeah. User local lib permission denied. So that shouldn't be too bad, but I need to muck around with that and figure out what the right way to do this is. So, let us, we gotta debug on a Mac. You know what? I'm gonna source graph some of the stuff. .io? Yeah, I don't even remember their website. .com, okay. I'm sorry, Sudo's incapacitated, spending time with friends all week and needs his napping. Nice. Alien! It has been a while. Welcome back. It's been years. When was the last time you were here? I can look with the power of Twitch logs. Oh no, it hasn't been a year. It's been 7 months. And then a year before that. Okay. Welcome back. Hello. Kappa says, I migrated a system from 2.7 to 3.5 several years ago and got rewarded with a memory leak in the JSON module. Was it JSON or was it like simple JSON? Why did they change their website to be shit? Where the fuck is their search? Oh, is it because I got the mobile view? I got the mobile view. Oh, they probably added an holy shit. This is such a wide breakpoint. What is the I don't know where it is on Chrome. Inner width. What's their breakpoint here? Oh, it even shows in the top right. Oh, that's nice. Their breakpoint is 1124 pixels. What a fucking weird breakpoint. Anyway, this is the button that I was looking for. So I'm gonna find it. So I know one of the things that I need to do here. I'm guessing the URL because I don't remember it. Oh, all right, cool. I'm guessing the URL here. I know one of the things that I have to do is there are architectures here And I know that I need to make macOS working, and I don't have to cross compile anymore because this is Intel and this is ARM64. Silly Laird, hello. How's it going? But I kind of want to see how other people do this because I don't use cibuildwheel. I mostly do it myself because I find it a little bit complicated. Path, GitHub. Type too fast for it. Is this gonna work? Is this gonna let it find more things? This is not what I want. This is sort of what I want. Beta? What the fuck? Why is this beta? $, YML, $. Even do this. Dino's got a photo for us. Oh, it's Sleepy Pseudo. Sleepy Pseudo. James Wine says, is Sourcegraph search much different than built-in GitHub search since the new search? I've tried GitHub search and it seems worse, but maybe they made it better. I don't know. I tried the beta of GitHub New Search right when the beta came out and still found Sourcegraph to be a lot more powerful, so I've sort of stuck with this instead. But I don't know. Put macOS 14 in here so we can see someone else who's trying to do the same thing I'm doing. This I guess is one of the downsides of Sourcegraph. There's no fucking way. There's no fucking way that there are no results for that. Seriously? No way. There's no way. Okay. It only results, yeah, matches that string, matches this string. Do I need like and in here? Okay, that fixed it a little bit, I guess. Let's look at this one. macOS X ARM64. I'm not familiar with this syntax. Build plat 1. Build plat. I didn't know that you could use arrays in GitHub Action. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Huh, interesting. Okay, well I learned something already. Bug was in the JSON, built-in JSON module. Oh, I remember this. Yeah, I remember this. Possible typo. Yep, I remember this. Yeah. But I thought it was only in PureLib. But, folks. Need to sign in to GitHub for code search as well. That's true. Slayer says hello. Happy Saturday. Been using Python at work these past few months, and having watched your videos is coming in handy. Nice. Welcome. I mostly use Sourcegraph to avoid logging into GitHub at work. Nice. Oh, config file. Less simple than I want. Stardist. Compiling C++ throws an error. Maybe you should fix your shit. Oh, NumPy is using the same trick here. Interesting. Probably because the NumPy, the science people do the same thing together. I do kind of like that little array trick though. But I think this is how I would do it myself. So we're gonna look at this one. This is what I was hoping to find someone else that did. Yeah, so this is part of what I wanted to see here. To copy paste in stupid Twitch. Yeah. Yeah, but then again, like, this is not gonna be sorted nicely, so. Like, I don't think I can then go and sort by stars. But yeah, this is essentially the equivalent. But this is what I wanted to find. It was something that looked like this. How do they pass arch along? Oh, like this. That makes sense. So, fix. So I believe the syntax is matrix include and then a list. What is it called? I-686, gross. I don't know why we're still building this, but x86-64. Is it ARch-64 or is it ARM-64? ARch-64. And technically this one should go first since it's the slowest. And then macOS 13, Arch. Did they use x86-64? Yeah, this is a funny one because Mac uses these names and Linux uses these names, but x86-64, 14, ARM-64. Oh, and I think we also want to build muscle, do we not? How does that work? Oh, this thing is hilariously complicated. CI build wheeled arches. Auto. Where? So how's it gonna do muscle? Where does that come from? I guess technically muscle is gonna work because it's also x86-64. Sean the Sheep, welcome back. We've got a new account. Meow. Andy, let's find the guy who developed Azure and JavaScript and beat him with my laptop. I think they're different people. Although one of them is a questionable individual, so by all means. Bugle Cook, hello, hello, welcome back. Been a bit. How you doing? Blah 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 blah. I'm hoping that this just still will produce the blah blah blah, the muscle Linux wheels as well. Alanus, hello. Alan. I don't know what your name is. Welcome, welcome. A Dev Panda says, did you decide you had too much of a life? Yep. That's it. I think that's how this works. Because otherwise it would be a little literal string. We can get rid of this. Okay, so that should at least get the right architectures building for the right things. We still have to figure out the building for the right target macOS version problem. Shouldn't be too bad. Beagle Cook doing good, thank you. What about you? Which new tool library are you maintaining? pyuwsgi. MDS Ubuntu. Hello, hello. How you doing? pyuwsgi. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what the fuck this build is. What a weird way to do this. Also, I seem to remember that these are dying soon, so I'll have to upgrade those, but not today. I was googling for pyuwsgi. Yeah, it's uwsgi. UWSGI. Oops, all berries. How's it going, Grandpa's iPad? Okay, so I think that will give us our things all split up nicely, which is what I wanted to do to make sure we get the ARM64 doodads. Oh, I don't... I'm gonna ignore whatever the fuck is going on up there. Verify. Verify literally just runs LSLH. Solid verification there. Okay. Okay. That's that part, I think. No linters, of course not. Why would we have linters here? Yeah, that looks good. That's good. Bucky says, I have some old CGI bin Perl scripts that I may want to set up on a new server. I saw that uwsgi has a functionality for CGI bin. Do you have any experience with that? I don't. I think it's probably way overkill, but I also don't. It's been so long since I've ran anything in CGI bin that I don't know. Bill Cook says, how can we maintain it now? Did the old maintainer approach you? I need it for work. I told the story at the beginning of the stream, unfortunately, and it took me like a good 30 minutes to explain everything, but basically shit broken, want new version, maintainer said I no longer use it. There's the TLDR. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so that's that part. I need to see if I have my Mac running. Otherwise I gotta run downstairs and push a button. I don't have, what is it, IPMI, IPMW, whatever the fucking remote start is. My ARM machine is running. Maybe that'll be enough to demo this. My Intel Mac Mini is not running though. Mini ARM64. Oh, there it is. Gonna watch it later. Good luck with the new library. Hope it's not too much work. I don't think it should be that bad. I'm hoping. I'm hoping. Lincoln Loop. Yeah. Why is it taking so long? Windows server. Not much going on there. Do you have a network connection? You do? Oh, what the fuck? That was weird. Druggies. Oh, I don't have the tab complete. It's so painful. I've kind of realizing that IPMI is amazing. I never have to press buttons in my server rack. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that later. I think maybe. We'll see. Remote PDUs are amazing. I'm not familiar with that term, but I will trust your judgment. All right, so there's this pre-build.sh thing. Is Mac OS. I would like to remove the make install parts of this. Oh, where? Oh. Really? We don't have Babby here? Oh, this is gonna fail for a different reason. Maybe. Oh, or not. We'll take those. Power distribution units. It's like remote switches for power. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so much better, much better. Look at that. So I'm guessing it makes a temporary directory. Simple. Name version URL X. Fetch unpack. CD name version. Okay, so it seems like it just does it in the working directory. So let's get rid of all the make installs. and smiley face. Yeah. Do I just not have any tab complete at all? WCGW. Mama. Doing all sorts of shit here. Okay, so there should be... What's the, like, dirt colors thing? It's called dirt colors and I don't have it. Damn. Surely this will work, right? Nope. No. Fucking A. Minecraft. Increasing Minecraft. Really layered. Anyway, somewhere in here should be a little binary. Was it dilib? There it is. Okay. So tool-L this guy? Compatibility version 4. I don't remember how to read this. I want to say that this means that it thinks it's macOS 14. Is it Mac_ver? macOS get current version. No. SW. I knew it had an underscore in it. Okay, so it's macOS 14.5. Why does this say 14.6? I guess, no, that makes sense. Because 14.0 would be 4.0. No? No, it doesn't make sense. I don't know. I'm pretty sure this is the thing that we want. There's like a min macOS version. C flag. I think this is the right thing that I want. Yeah, so I think I need to set this to whatever the version is reported from Python. Do I have a Stack Overflow account? I do. I'm just not logged in here. Here's my here's the me. My Stack Overflow account. God, I'm so close to this badge. 4 more answers. I have 3 iPads now and don't ask why. What? Also, Mini Jagus, welcome back. Hello, hello. Yeah, so I think I need to pass this somehow. But we need to find that from the Python, I think. Oh. Do I have a homebrew Python? Those ones will be built differently, right? Python 3.8. This config done. Like, I want to find the version that comes from Wheel. I guess I could look at how Wheel does it. Mac Arch. Version stir. Platform.macver. That doesn't sound right. This is the version that's running. Yeah, this is what I care about, I think. I don't know what to tell says. Hello, Anthony. Keep it up. What are you writing, by the way? I'm trying to fix the compilation of the third-party libraries that are being bundled with pyuwsgi so that I can get the wheels out. But I don't know how they get figured out in the code, and I want to replicate that. This sounds like what I want. macOS libfile calculate. macOS X development target. There's no way that's in the employee target. Where does it get this version from? Does it just get it from the compiled files? So I gotta figure out how setup tools does this? The wheel code is much smaller than setup tools. ELF for Mako headers. I guess we could track macOS min system version. Get macOS target version from Python binary. There's no way. Yeah, I can grab the python.org ones, but I don't know how to get the version out of it. Otool-L? Little L? Ugh. I don't see the bits in here that I'm looking for. Min macOS. Not in there. Fuck. Pain in the ass. Can I have some Python whiskey? Sure. I don't know how you're gonna get some, but I'm not stopping you. I gotta download the fucking python.org binaries, and that'll hopefully tell me what the fuck's going on. I mean, VNC into my computer. Alright, I think my password is bad password, so. Are these the bits you're looking for? Thank you for the bits, Grandpa's iPad. Maybe I should register pyuwsgi. Sounds like a good idea. Wow, it's a different computer. All this, because Python.org. Wait, your bad password choice is also bad password? Yeah, it's true, live coding. Also good to see you again. Welcome back. Downloads. I'm gonna download some weird version and not like, what versions do I have first? I have it took forever. 3.9. And in Homebrew we have oh my god, why is this so hard to do? We have 3.12 and 3.8. So we'll download 3.11. Oh my god, look at how slow this scrolling is. Why doesn't it let me click? That was painful. 3.11.9. Is this source only at this point? No, it is not. Okay. Yeah, so this should have the min macOS thing in it for me. No, 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 blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. Don't give a fuck. Bad password. Exonity! Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Damn, that bongo Eevee is bongoing real good. Thanks for that. Close. Yes. Okay. Bop. All right. Which Python 3.11? Rep Mac? Oh, 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 oh. Hey, there we go. Oh, that gets us that. Is your good password good password? No. I actually don't know what almost all of my passwords are. Okay. So we gotta parse this thing somehow. Oh, unless there's some other way to figure this out. Minos? I don't think that's a thing. Well, Purple Cloud says as long as your password managers know, yeah, yeah. Okay, but what is the wheel on which you're working? I don't get it. What is the project's idea? Aha, the bot. I don't know why the bot replied there, but it did tell you the correct answer. You probably only need a 2. Terrible shell pipeline, but I wonder if I even need this part. We'll look it up for me. Of course not. O'Toole Classic. Okay, so given that, Let's see if we can't make it. Let's see if we can't make it export that properly. If macOS, then I'm gonna hope it's gonna show up as Python. Little v? Little v. And then you're supposed to export some environment variable. Min macOS version environment variable. Silent Assassin says monitor 1. Yeah. This sounds like what I want. Looks like they are the same. Let's try that. I'm gonna source graph as well this, because I wonder if somebody has written it in line in their thingy. What? What the fuck? Oh, here we go. Oh. I mean, they do set it here, but... What? Oh, I get it. In this case, they're specifically picking one that's newer than the Python. Golden Lion says, do you like puzzle games? I do. Query set. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Been a bit. Hope you're doing well. Is source graph better than directly using GitHub search? Asks Dankly2, and this is the second time I've answered this stream. Yes and no. Source graph is a little bit more powerful and sorts better, in my experience. The line says, "Do you want a Steam key for deciphered deck?" I don't need to get that for me. I can get it myself if I want to, but I appreciate you offering. But I will check it out after stream. Yeah, I don't know that anyone else is trying to do what I'm trying to do. Oh, this should be boop, 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 Python. And I think if I make a virtual env, oh shit. I deleted my little virtual enver. I could just use VM. All right. So commented those out. Let's see what happens. I guess we could do a little gamble here. No, it's okay. Don't worry about it, Dinkly Tuned. We do a little gamble here. Will we successfully get 10.9 libpcre? I don't even know if that question makes any sense, but fuck it. Gamble your points, chat. Does that script have EU? Oh, it does. Cool. Cool. Very timid with our predictions today. Got a wild 50 points in there. A teeny tiny pot. Oh, Woosa's got big no. Alright, there we go. You ready to lose your points, Woosa? Dankly Tuned is adding 10 points at a time. Nice. Alright. Looking like a big group of doubts today. Oh, we got another doubter in the pool. Alright, doubters are either losing everything or getting a shit ton back. I guess losing everything or winning nothing. Maniac, hello. How you doing? Alright. Let's let her rip. Oops. The first part seemed to have worked, maybe? Yeah, and we don't see any of the output from it, so perhaps. SHA-286 sum command not found. Oh. Yeah, we gotta do... I ran the wrong command. We gotta do this. That's not the result of the thing there. Gotta do this. Well then. What the fuck happened? You mean command F? Oh. Hold on. I nuked my virtual life on accident. Okay. We're after the races again. Useless Pony says I should have put all my points into yes. Because you believe. Let's see. Where is the start of this? Not that one. Somewhere up here. Nope, that's when it was still doing Linux. Found the Python, found the minimum version, set it. Okay, that looks promising. Assuming that actually does what it says it's supposed to do. You only put 50 points in. Womp womp. So, O'Toole-capital L PCRE libpcre. Where's our die-LDs in here? There's the .la. I can never remember what they're called. Oh, it's under .libs. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Well, shit. It still has this same compatibility. I guess that's what it's linking against? Maybe little. Oh, I don't know, my alias is here. What the fuck? Where is our... I'm thinking it didn't work. So why the hell not? Let's dilib right. What about this one? Okay, so this is nonsense. This is not helpful. We need the little L output. We got Minos here from LC build version, but not the Min macOS version. God damn it. All right, well, doubters win. Believers don't lose much, but huh. Okay, I really thought that was going to work. Does anyone remember Will It Blend? I do remember Blendtech. Blendtech blenders are built different, yeah. Hapt5, hello, welcome back. Tanklatoon says rip. Yeah, Bugle Cook also says rip. So what the fuck? Is that environment variable just a fucking lie? Mac OS X deployment target. Mac OS X deployment target. It feels like I got the right variable. What the hell? Okay, so we got that same thing there. What the fuck? Kavindu Harshana says use Vim. Well, actually, you can force me to use Vim. But it's gonna cost you some bits. Marsha, what? Marsha, why? What? No. Need some bonking up in here. Okay, so what the fuck? Why doesn't this work? Apparently we need the flag. Let's try with the flag. macOS version min. macOS version min 10.9. Unsupported option. Do you mean -M macOS? Do I? Why is it this? Oh, what am I doing? What the fuck? Why is it not in the output? Unless this... Not forcing, just saying because you use nano. Well, I don't use nano. But if you're trying to tell me what to do, I have to think about what you did there. Bye. I wouldn't mind another bet and lose everything this time. So the weird thing is, this did change between the two builds that I did. So I wonder if Minos 11 is actually 10.9. What the fuck? Okay, probably not unuseful. Building on this and targeting macOS 11, but it's 10.9. Why is it 11? You know, there's a chance this shit just works, and I should just not care. The other thing that I wanted to check. So let's actually copy this. There's a chance this is already working. So we're just gonna try it. Support number 64 on Mac OS. And then git apply. Ensure linked shared objects on macOS match target version. But we're not sure if that works. The last thing is there's the error with sudo. Probably sudo. Maybe sudo is the fix for this. Imagine it already working and all the win bettors lost their points for nothing. Could possibly be the case. Is it because your min version is before the MinOS? It might be because there was never an ARM64 macOS 10, 10.x. It could just be that because it's 11, it ends up being 11. I don't think that's how it works, but it could be. It could be. Actually, I'm kind of curious. I'm betting that these other binaries here don't actually have the same, like they have this problem, but oh, you know what? There was probably never a build. Oh yeah, there was never an ARM build, so I'm solving a new problem. But I'm betting if we grab these and oh, actually I learned a thing. Is it curl-capital O? Someone was telling me to do this. Yeah, look at that. So if we do otool -l pyuwsgi libs libpcre1. Fuck, how did these ones get it? It was you, Pandoxer, indeed. How do these ones have the right one? Getting fucking scammed here. I need to fill up my water, so I'm gonna do that real quick. I will be right back. Hello, I'm back. So I'm thinking about this, and I wonder if this got set through CI build wheel before, because it did get upgraded in this commit. I'm looking at JD's couch cushions has received a gift sub from Anonymous. Thank you, Anonymous. Appreciate the subscription. But yeah, we did get an upgrade here somewhere. 16 to 20, so maybe that changed there. Grasping at straws at this point, though. Oh, I already have it cloned because I already was looking at something else. Git log -g macOS deployment. Nope. How the fuck then? I don't know. I don't know how this worked before. I have no idea. Huh. Well, I guess we can just fucking try what I have, and if it doesn't work, it doesn't work, and then we'll have to figure more shit out. But I did want to check if I can just call sudo directly by looking at the many Linux images. Odd man images. Do I have one? I do not. I do not. Do we have a full? Here we go. I kind of make an account named an anonymous gifter. That would be pretty funny. It might already be taken though. An anonymous grifter. That's worse. Fuck. Which sudo? What is there? Oof. What? The fuck? Why? Oh, useless pony said grifter. Oh, yeah. I get it now. I saw what I wanted to see. Okay, so we can't call sudo there. Well then. An anonymous grifter has received a gift sub from Anonymous. Okay. Okay. I don't know what's going on with these anonymouses here. What am I doing? Oh, Useless Pony has gifted a sub to Useless Pony. Thank you for the gift sub, Useless Pony. Is that your second account? That's the loot account? Oh. I gotta do some garbage with... Oh, actually... Yeah. All right. 3 patches. I guess we can do another gamble. Na, 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 na. Will this build succeed? Yes and no. And not no, but different. We'll give you 1 minute. Ponies for All has received a gift sub from Anonymous as well. Welcome to Subdom. Ponies for All. Marsha says, I know what ponies do. Nod yes. Oh. That's the loot account. Oh god. Spooky. Alright. I'm hoping it works because macOS sucks. Operating system. It's macOS. Better work. I'm not gonna lose these 10 points. Wait, what's the... Holy shit, Woosa's put so many into the pot. Going all in with their 16k points. 10x programmer put 1,000 for no. Trying to bet the odds here. Bugle Cook says, I'm watching this stream from a Mac, so I cannot confirm. Oh, you can't confirm that macOS sucks. Alright, well. WCGW. Maybe I still want that one. Let's get it back. You're watching from America. America. This looks so stupid. Alright, let's see how it's going though. Alright, we got all of our matrices split out. Oh. These should have a different name, probably. So I've learned a thing, but it's so much more of a pain in the ass to do than I like. This one. Git commit fix up this. And then git rebase auto squash. Yeah, so it reordered this and fixed up it. It's way faster for me to just not. We're gonna force push that if this works. Oh, not already failing. Did my little array trick not work? Sudo at unbound variable. What? Does that not work? That's totally what I wanted. It works here. Is this some fucking old ass bash? How do we find the Docker image here? Gosh, Mile, hello, how you doing? It is failing for Ubuntu, not Mac, so Ubuntu sucks? No, this is not Ubuntu. This is actually some flavor of RHEL. Some Red Hat garbage. Easy win, GitHub actions never work. Oh. That's my kernel, that's not helpful. Yeah, it's CentOS, so CentOS suck. Wait, this fucking worked too. Is it running it with SH? It works with SH also. Oh, it is SH. But it still should have run it with bash. But also... So good. Oh, you know what? You know what? I might be boozling myself. Put this on. It works fine there. It doesn't work there. Yeah, so this is what version of bash? That's pretty new though. Apparently I am using a way newer version, bash 5. The next programmer, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I wish I could Docker pull every OS like Ubuntu. Yeah. 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 Strange Sorcerer says, hello, hello. What is this new thing you're maintaining? It's pyuwsgi. And I am debugging bash garbage. I think you need declare -ax. Is that no? That doesn't work. Unbound variable. Declare an empty array bash. You know, I could just make the whole command work, and then it wouldn't be empty, and then that would work. Bash 4+ you can use this to declare an empty array. Like fucking hell I can. Oh wait, that's the old code. Why is that the old code? Oh, I'm just being boozled by the set-dash x output. Okay, well, it's easy enough to fix. I can do this. Okay, so that will work, but it's kind of dumb. So this is what I usually do. Is do a commit like this. Find the commit I want to amend into. Oh, it's actually the one right before me. And do it like that. Okay, so that'll fix that part. But what about the rest of the shit? Nothing succeeded. Fuck. Well, I should be honest and choose outcome no. There we go. There's your points. The Devil Kid. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Savage Banana Soup Sauce here. What happened to the cookie keyboard? Oh, it's here. I just forgot to move it over. Hi, Uwu Wiggly. Yeah. Is that where you automatically drink once somebody makes a request to the server? Sounds about right. As everyone typing at the speed of light, and I feel like a grandpa with my typing speed because Marsha can type at like 140 plus. Marsha says, I need my buns. Alright. Give Marsha a sub. Oh, no, stop. Nope. Give to a specific viewer. Marsha. Oh. Here you go. My payment is not declined. There you go, you got buns again, Marsha. Repairing wheel, yeah, it's the same problem as before, it looks like. Yeah. Oh. Well, that sucks. Oh, god damn it. What about Mango's 14? Well, this at least got to the repair part, so the pre-build worked. Damn, it's fast. 1.6 seconds. Oh, not 24 seconds. Still. Key error ARM64. What? Failed to find any binary with the architecture ARM64. I bet it built a universal, didn't it? What's the right name? Stop fucking scrolling on me, you piece of shit. Oh my god. I hate GitHub sometimes. Let me scroll up this time? Okay, here we go. Building the wheel. Oh, there's like no output here. Oh. Right? Huh. This is very weird. Like, why did it build? Why did it build an x86-64 wheel? Or that's what it seems like it did? Or maybe it built a Universal 2 wheel? It's difficult to tell from this output though. No, it did build ARM, for that at least. The wheel did not build ARM though. Just like the fucky arch command thing. ARM64 is cool. I recently rented an ARM64 Ubuntu server for like €4 a month. It's in there. Too lazy to cross compile something on x86? Yeah, makes sense. Takes forever to cross compile too. Can you roll? Hello, hello. Yeah, my guess is that this wheel is not the right, that it's a universal wheel and not the right one. See if we search the error message. Skip all of the macOS wheels. Okay, well that's clearly not what we want. Yeah, Zig can cross compile. That's pretty nice. Ugh, this sucks. I guess I could just drop macOS and be like, not my fucking problem. Well, macOS ARM. But no, this should be, I should be able to get this to work. Why did you pay money? Okay, so let's take a step back here. Some of the stuff we did definitely did not work. So we gotta undo that. Super Tough Gaming, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. There's like an arch command on macOS. This thing, yeah. Back to source graph. I wish I would have saved my search from earlier. I did not though. Ethan! Thank you for the resub at 53 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well, and I appreciate your continued support. No, that is useless. What was I looking up? Arch. That is going to be useless too. But maybe we will find someone who is using the arch command. This should be way easier. I don't know why this is so hard. Been great watching a skill programmer raging about macOS. Just woke up. Nice, nice. What? This doesn't make any sense. Universal 2 on Ubuntu? And ARch64 on macOS latest? Oh, exclude. Okay. I was gonna say. That made no damn sense. That's not what I want to click on. Where is that? What a pain. What a fucking pain. Arch is a badly named command, too many results, yeah. Hey, what's up, Build Office? Hello, hello. This sucks so much. Why is this such a pain in the ass? Okay, I need to find one of the pre-build as well. Yeah, build wheel before build. We gotta find one of these. Like, I thought this whole fucking thing was supposed to make this shit easier. But it very much does not feel that way. I don't know the one to look. Tools, wheels. Fortran garbage. Oh boy. Group where wheel command macOS equals this CIBW thing. Holy. Yeah, this one's way too complicated. We're not looking at this one. This one's simple. That's SciPy again. What are we maintaining? pyuwsgi. Before build, pip install, upgrade, pip setup tools. Yeah, that's definitely doing something. Interesting. No, it's just some install stuff. Or brew install. That can't be right. Oh. I feel like no one else is using this for... Pip download platform equals. Yeah. Oh, they just run the tool directly. They don't even use the action. Well, we'll figure this out eventually. Perl zlib. I guess if we get rid of this, maybe we'll get more results. But I specifically want macOS. What if we macOS deployment target? Deployment target. What it was? Only get SciPy. Oh, come on. Great, hello, welcome, welcome. Yeah, I don't know why this is so fucking hard. This is obnoxious. I guess I can search the error message. I haven't done that yet. I've just assumed. I'm pretty sure I'm right. No results. iOS libraries. Okay, there's a thing here. To resolve this error, you need to build the library to the same macOS version as the target wheel. Or you can set this You should compile the library yourself, and I'm trying to do that. I'm trying so hard to do that. They didn't include the actual error message in here though, Ethan. It's linked from a discussion. You need to compile them manually, but that's what's happening. SEO not ideal, yeah. Melissa, hello, welcome, welcome. Oh, and the bot replied immediately. Yeah, what the fuck? Because I'm definitely setting this, and it's... Well, I'm not definitely setting this. I'm pretty sure I'm setting this. I guess I should set -x and see what it's doing. But it should be working. Okay, so we've fixed one thing probably. So let's put a little set -x there. Where does it get the pythons from even? I don't know where it finds the pythons from. Figure that out though, because we have it cloned. What the fuck is that? Yeah, I don't know where it gets the pythons from. I guess I could read the output to figure it out. Oh wait, there was a it installs just Python 3.12. Well, anyway. Let's try that. Definitely not going to work. Love inline Python in my CI scripts. I guess it's slightly better than inline bash, but only just. Okay, I honestly did not think this was going to take all stream, so... Fuck me, I guess. What is... Okay, so this should have fixed the Ubuntu ones. We don't super know yet because it hasn't done any of the builds. And these should still be failing, but at least we'll get more output. Oh, installing Python. Okay, so it does grab the python.org installers. And I'm pretty sure these are universal binary. That would be my guess. Or doesn't super say. Chill. It's scrolling me too right before I find the thing that I'm looking for. Yeah, so we set this fucking environment variable. Why isn't it being honored? Ugh. Wait a minute. libpcre2. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. No. No. Shit. So where the fuck is libpcre2 coming from? Because none of these are libpcre2. Unless this gets installed as oh, I can't spell configure. If we're not having tab complete. I am here since 2 hours instead of I've been here for 2 hours. Yeah, the latter makes a lot more sense. Yeah, there's no libpcre2. So this is coming from somewhere else. Probably from Homebrew. Hey, I fixed Ubuntu though. Wait, what was the error here then? Calculate min wheel name. What do you mean? Failed to find any binary with the required architecture ARM64. We'll deal with that in a sec. Upif82, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Love is macOS. Yeah, it predates me. I'm just fixing someone else's shit. All right. So libpcre2. What's the difference between libpcre and libpcre2? Unknown licenses found. Great. So where are your tags? Oh, this is what I wanted. So I want PCRE2 8, no, I guess. Historic release. Kill me. The other thing we could do is we could just set min macOS version to 13 and call this fucking day. User local seller. Ah. That would not this. That would do it. Wherever you saw that. Yeah, here. I got this one correctly. Okay, so the thing we did actually worked, maybe. But it's linking the wrong PCRE? Do we just upgrade PCRE? Is that gonna work? They were downloads. We're getting somewhere though. Download.sourceforge.com. Oh boy. Where does it get it from? Where else? What? What? What the fuck? Yeah, let's just I guess just grab this one. But this is build simple thing. Over. I'm so close to drawing Mac. But I can't though. That's the problem. Is I literally just need it for macOS. Yeah, the build system is linking the wrong PCRE. It's not linking the one that we've sent it. But pyuwsgi is hilariously complicated, and I don't know how to make it pick the right one. I could just set this to 13 and call it a day, but then I'm leaving more pythons in the dust I don't really care about. It would make everything simpler. I could also probably just brew install these libraries too. Two ends? I don't know. Yeah. Oh, see, I already have PCRE2 installed. I could just do that. That would make all of this shit simpler. think I think I'm going to try. I think I'm just gonna do that. That's gonna be way fucking easier than this damn pre-build thing. I also wonder if I can just install these libraries in Linux as well. Was it using yum here? Yeah. Or APK. Okay. Oh, I guess it is yum. Okay, all right. But we can probably also install PCRE and Jansen from that too. Move off of Travis CI in 2021. Mirror old PCRE. Previous URL is gone or flaky. Okay, well, it seems to be trying to use PCRE 2 now, so I guess just killed it. Yeah. Yum installed Jansen Devel? Uh-huh. 1 and 2 S's. Is it okay? Yeah. Version 2.10-1. What was the version we were doing here? 2.11. Installs into user local? Yes, I believe so. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna try and kill this entire fucking script and let's go. Or I install PCRE 2. Or install PCRE 2. Let's just rewrite pyuwsgi to use CMake and end the pain. Nope, not happening. Okay, let's rewrite this script. So we've got build PCRE 2. And we have some URLs up here. And we'll just use the fucking latest. Save this. God damn it. From multi-build. just be copy pasting this, but I feel like it's better for me to just do this typed out manually. That seems simple enough. And from multi-build. Don't know what the fuck that means anymore. Yeah, let's try that. Oh no! SSH locked up. pyuwsgi build script has Haiku OS and a bunch of obscure BSDs. Yeah. I don't really know what their deal is with that. What the hell? Why did it end up with that as the name? What is reset dash OAR? I did dash hard, but I typoed it and then fixed it. I think I was going to do reset hard and then I did pull fast forward instead. But I did or instead of I don't know how I made that typo. Those characters are not close to each other. Okay, so hash download URL, building PC from this, fetch unpack that SHA. Oh, I probably forgot the URL. Yeah, got the URL somehow. Oh yeah, I have this completely wrong. This is the check SHA-286 sum part of this. Fetch unpack. No matches, cool, yeah. Hey, what's up, lesbian monad? Just found out about PEP 750. I hate it. What do we have today? Tag strings for writing domain-specific languages. I see. This is the JavaScript special stringies thingies. Alexander KG, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Custom string prefixes, yeah. That does not sound great to me. Melky with the massive raid. Hello, hello. How are you doing today, Melky? My name is Anthony. I am working on a brand new project today that I don't want to do, but I have to anyway for work. And also because I don't know. I'm hoping I fix it once and then never have to touch it again. But we're trying to rebuild pyuwsgi and make it work on all the platforms. And a little bit about me, I usually work on open source Python, some of the stuff that I maintain you might have heard of. Precommit, Flake8, Dead Snakes, iUpgrade, and a whole bunch of other stuff. But thank you for the raid. I got the shout out. Perfect, we're in there. Melky, how you doing? Great to see you. Boatman says, what are you doing? Oh, and the bot knows. Live coding, hello, hello, welcome back. Sean the Sheep, you're back as well. Boatman, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. All right, so we did get libpcre2-8 built here, in theory. So that seems good. Oh, fuck. but this is on the other machine, so I gotta copy it back now. Or we can just do the same fixes here? Nah. Mini arm 64 temp Y. Is it Y? Whiskey wheels. But what was Milky working on? Cibuild.sh2 dot. And then we'll get rid of the make install thingy at the top that was preventing it. Yeah. Oops, not that one. Arbaya, hello, hello. What's a Pokemon thing on your stream? There's a little command in the bottom right of it too to help you out there. Yoga Cook says, why do you maintain a project in your free time, although it is for work? Because I haven't been motivated to work on anything else on stream, and this felt like a small chunk of work. As we're 3 hours into it, felt like a small chunk of work that I could do in a stream, while not having to bumble around with something else. Yeah, not for a good reason. Build PCRE2 instead of old PCRE. Okay, so that should, in theory, fix macOS x86-64. But I don't think it's going to fix ARM64, fortunately. Maybe we comment out ARM64 for now. Sibuke says, is it a sound idea to learn and practice Bash? I think it is useful to know how to use a terminal. I think writing lots of shell scripts is a bad idea, but being able to understand the basics and know your way around a terminal is a very important skill, in my opinion. You know, you could also get away with a career and never touch the terminal. You know, modern IDEs give you the facilities to do most of the stuff, but I still think that it is valuable to be able to be dropped in a shell and be able to figure your shit out. But yeah. All right, so we can do a little prediction here. Well, actually, we're not going to do a prediction because I know it's going to fail. But I'm hoping that it fixes x86-64 Mac of that flavor. Oh, I got rid of my voice graph. Oh, well. Gone forever. Do 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 do. So we're hoping this one succeeds. Or at least gets further than before. I felt that statement. I know it's gonna fail, but hope one fewer thing is broken. Yeah. That's the dream. Oh, interesting. It ran the pre-install up here. I kind of expected it to do it. Oh no, this is just a. Oh, that's just the Estes. Never mind. Never mind. It's funny because I'm running a compiler while I type checker for now, and I'm still thinking about making the command line not first class because the main focus would be graphical user interface / wet. Oh. Interesting. Andre Noturno, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. We also got Deldarax that I missed. Welcome, welcome. Okay. It's building PCRE2. Okay. Promising. And dear God, I hope this one takes precedence over the homebrew one. I think they're gonna be. I think it's gonna try and write it to the same place, which is. I don't know what to think about that, but. Okay, macOS 14 already failed. Fine, fair. We already know that one was gonna fail. We don't really know why, but we kind of know why. I have an idea why. Dr. Marmaladen Junge. Welcome to the stream. Yo! Look, we got a green fucking check mark! Alright, we fixed macOS 13. Oh, fuck me. Alright, now we gotta figure out what's wrong here. I think I know what's wrong. I think I know what's wrong. This download here. Did 3.8 even support ARM? Download. 8.18. No way. That's gotta be past security. 8.10. It's old. 8.8.6. 8.10. 2021. Yeah, a few years old. Two installers. The default 64-bit only one that works on bleh, and a universal 2 for 11 and higher. So it installed the wrong fucking binary? What the fuck, cibuildwheel? You had one job! You had one fucking job! And you screwed the pooch? Um. So what the fuck? Why? Why did it do that? How does it even find where this comes from? I don't even know. Build platforms not terrible. Major Who, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. What the fuck is this? Yeah, so that URL is just wrong. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure that URL is just wrong. How has no one else hit this? How am I the only one hitting this? How am I the only one hitting this? Who's using ARM64 Python 3.8? I mean, good point. Like, I could just skip that one, and presumably it would work with the 3.9 version. Shabby777, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Altman, hello, how you doing? 3.8 is 99% end of life. It's true. Dr. Marmalade Junge, welcome to the stream. I just drop it? Yeah. Yeah, probably. I think I'll just grab this and exclude it. And that maybe we'll get this working. I don't know how anyone hasn't pointed this out. Like, surely there's got to be another issue about this. Yeah. There's an FAQ. Well, fuck me. All right. Well, we're just gonna get rid of ARM64. Yeah. Oh, I've showed this trick on stream a few times. I got it. Oh, damn. Okay, it did eventually close. I just stuck SSH session. You can do tilde dot enter, and that'll terminate the session for you. All right, there's a skip here. Skip this. Python 3.8 does not build cleanly. ARM64 on macOS. All right. Now we can do a spicy prediction. Yeah, I just heard the same thing, Bugle Cook. That doesn't make any sense to me because there's a fucking download right here. Yes, it's marked experimental, but I'm pretty sure this file would just work. But sure. Their project, not my problem. I am hopefully not gonna have to look at this thing ever again. All right, new prediction: will the build succeed? I'm feeling good about this one. I don't know about you, chat, but that's why it's a prediction. Don't mean to thumb the scales. That's the word. Oh my god, that's the phrase I was looking for. Oh, this was a conversation like days ago, and I couldn't remember the right word. It's thumb the scale. All right, we got a lot of people yesing. Ethan's got 30 on yes. JJMC's got 5K on no. Didn't you run the build locally? Yes and no. I'm not going to run sudo make install on my machines, so I'm not going to run that part of the builds. And most of this is fucky wucky CI configuration garbage that I don't super have control over. But yeah. Big Cook says thumb scale. The idea behind like putting the thumb on the scale is like you're shifting an outcome towards what you want it to be. It failed already. No. No. ECRE28 has a minimum target of 14. No. No. God damn it. All right, well, it did. It's a new error. It's a different error. So where the fuck did it get that from? All right, complete prediction, no. Damn, why the fuck did it pick the homebrew one again? Opt homebrew seller. Yeah, why did it pick that one instead of the one we wanted? We gotta fuck around with the library path stuff. Damn. Alright, let's see what we got here. Run before build. This still did all its stuff, I imagine. I'm surprised homebrew has precedence over... I guess that's how it works. I guess that's how it works. This eventually installed into user local lib. It built against the brew one, yeah, because on ARM64, homebrew is in a different directory, and so installing to user local lib puts it later in the library path. But I don't actually have my work laptop. I was gonna say I don't actually have a machine with homebrew set up to look at how it's supposed to be. Yeah, no, it put it in user local lib. That part's fine. The problem is that when it went to build the actual wheel, it pulled it from opt homebrew seller. Because homebrew puts this on the library path earlier than everything else. I thought it was supposed to be 8.2. I don't know. Lucas Lopez, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. We also missed Kev Meister. Thank you as well for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, the problem is that it picked the homebrew one because it's earlier. I'm gonna run downstairs and look at my library. Like I can just Just put it into homebrew. I could just splat over homebrew or uninstall from homebrew. Brew uninstall PCRE2. I guess brew unlink PCRE2 would probably work. It feels like a hack. But it would work, I think. Yeah, the problem is the user local thing. God, what's worse? What's less worse of a hack? You know, I could make a prefix and put that on the beginning of the path. Then wouldn't have this problem. But shit. What is the best way to do this? I'm gonna go look on my work laptop and see what the library variables are. Wonder if I can do it. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna look at that. I'll see you in a sec. All right, I'm back. So I looked on my work laptop, and Homebrew doesn't actually modify the library paths. So I think what's happening is package config is yeah. What does this work? PCRE2 config. That's what it's looking for. And so that is on the path from brew. Makes sense to use PyPA build to get the wheel build. I think build is pulling in the wrong wheel. No, it's the right wheel. It's the right wheel. Because I have them separated. The problem is the call to PCRE2. The wrong library. Yeah, I know it's grabbing the wrong library. And I know why it's grabbing the wrong library too. Because path is going to look something like opt homebrew bin something opt or user local bin. And so it's going to grab the PCRE2 config binary from here before it picks it from here, and then it's going to pick the homebrew version. So that's why it's happening. So I think I just need to either uninstall from homebrew or put user local bin on the path first. Either of those I think will work. I did want to confirm that it actually installs that thing. The PCRE2-config file. Documentation, that obviously doesn't fucking matter. User local lib. The docs, no one gives a shit about that. Share. More docs. Include. Install the man page. Where's the damn binary? Oh, here it is. PCRE2 config. 914, yeah, we got it. We got it, Sky. Thank you. So if we prefix the path with user local bin, it should never look at the homebrew stuff. But now I gotta figure out the best way to do that. Like here would be one way. But I don't think we have access to other environment variables there. So I could just do a shell script. The actual call is this one. Yeah, I think I found that. Yep. I mean, update the config that's used. I just need it to be earlier on the path. I think I'm just gonna do that. Oh no, it's GitHub path. I don't know how that works though. That prepend or append? Adding a system path. Fuck you! Is it before or after? Oh. I don't know if it prepends or appends. That's obviously not gonna work. Yeah, we're gonna try that. Limon Chic, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. We also got Pamu Kludon. Thank you both. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. I prefer our binaries to homebrews. Another prediction, shall we? Will the build succeed? We got yes, no. Yeah. we got only doubters so far. Oh no, no one believes. No one believes it's gonna succeed. Oh. Okay, we got at least one believer now. Three believers with not very many points. Oh, D-Dells, the rich are just gonna get richer, aren't they? Alright. Prediction is done. We can start looking at the tab. All these. Oh, it already failed. Yeah, my add path must not have worked. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. We'll see. I guess this is a no. Yeah, that add path thing didn't work. Change path, precedence, GitHub actions. I would unlink PCRE. Yeah. That is definitely going to work. And is perhaps easier than what we did. The Oxford creating custom action says the runner will prepend the path to the job's path. I got my doubts on that, given what we saw. And I mean, we can just try it, but I think this is gonna work. So we have one more prediction. One, surely the last one, right? A lot of points have changed hands. And the rich get different. One more bet for me to win. Right? Ah, now everyone's saying yes. Now we got no no's. So confident. Okay, there's a no. JJMC is a doubter. No, you'll win. You'll win some now. You'll win some of JJMC's points if you're correct. All right. We're off to the races again. Oh, look, it's green. The build's green. I think I might have to cancel old builds too, because cancel from 5 minutes ago. And these are the ARM Linux ARM builds that take for goddamn forever. Yesterday queued. Oh. We're just gonna ignore those ones. Don't know what's going on with those. Oh. Of course, I sent myself an email for every one of those cancels. Great. Good job, me. Alright, come on, macOS 14. You piece of shit. Alright, build those 2 libraries. Build the wheel. What the fuck is that? Where did you get null from? What the hell? Where did that come from? Wait, why is everything else filling now? Wait. What did I just do? Monster Shard, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Where did this null suddenly come from? What the what is going on? Package dir null. Does it get that from the sdist? The sdist has null. I swear to God, someone is fucking with me right now. Where did you get null from? Append version equals null. Oh my God. Oh my god, what the fuck was this person thinking? Uh. So this is parsing the YAML, finding step 4, and then finding this attribute in step 4. And so because we added a step before step 4, it's now step 5. What have I gotten myself into? This is fucking cursed. And instead of fixing the problem, I'm kicking the can down the road. I'm just changing the 4 to a 5 instead of fixing the actual problem. Christ. I remember when I said, I hope it won't be too much work, and you were like, shouldn't be too much work. This is some fucking bullshit. Alright, do we want to do one more prediction? We'll do one more prediction in chat. It doesn't work this time, I don't know. Snow is here! Hello, hello. How you doing, Snow? How's your Saturday? You missed a bet? Well, you're here for the last one, right? You already know the future. Anthony's gonna curse about this on stream again. I'm sure there's something else fucked too, so. You just woke up. It's like afternoon in your land. I do principal betting. Look at all these doubters. I'm still growing. I need my sleep. Fair enough. The odds are good right now. What do we got? The last prediction. Alright, what do we got? Oh, it's a 50-50. Needles got 40 on yes. JJMC's got 60 on no. It's gonna be a big channel point change here. God. The number of steps in the GitHub action. Ethan says, I'm throwing my channel points because I want to spread the wealth. Indeed. Last one, you're sure this is gonna work? If it doesn't work, I'm ending stream. Actually, I'm probably ending stream if it works. And we're ending stream either way. Wraith Within, welcome back. Good to see you again. I have too many, I don't even just do them. Yeah, fair enough. Stupid. So stupid. Nellis Snows or Nellis Nows. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, well, it's hopefully not null this time. Hooray, it's not null this time. Wow. We did it. Insider trading? Yeah. This could be worse. You could have caused kernel panics in all of GitHub with an index out of bounds exception. I mean, if I could do that from user space, GitHub's got a bigger problem. Although I have triggered a bus error in GitHub Actions before, which is the hardware equivalent of a segfault, kind of. Nelson says hello, doing fine. What exactly are you doing? Oh, thank you, Bugle Cook. I am trying to fix the build of pyuwsgi. And doing a lot of T's and P's. Oh? Yes! This is the help output. That means it successfully built something. Wait, it's done? How is it done already? What about all the other Pythons? Where's all the... Oh, I guess it did. It's just so fast. What the hell? I guess, yeah, I mean, the M1 machines are pretty speedy. Holy fuck. Mysteriously successful build. I mean, we were hoping it was going to build. Also, Snow has resubbed at 10 months. I missed that. Thank you for the resub, Snow. Thank you for your continued support. Good to see you again. Now Ubuntu will fail. Nah, that one's been working. Surely it won't fail. No reason for it to fail. But I'm going to call that a success. Holy fuck. Yeah, 10 commits to get this working. Yeah, I mean, with a little bit of amend in there. This is some of the dumbest shit that I've seen in a while. Super fragile. Yeah. No doubt. Hey, now you got your bongos, Snow. Okay, yeah. I wanted to do some Dead Snake stuff today too, but I'm exhausted. This has been a journey and a half. Alright, let's look at the overall diff, make sure it looks not so nuts. This is so it didn't double build. Better output. Put all the arches and stuff. Only set up QEMU on there. Homebrew garbage. They did this. I simplified this. Fucking 3.8 and ARM64 is cursed. This is cursed. We set the right deployment target. We install PCRE2 instead of PCRE. And they updated the submodule. It's good to me. Question is, can I self-ship it? I don't know. I'll figure that out later. But anyway, that's going to wrap us up for today. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. Hopefully going to record some videos more often than a month ago. Yeah, got to get back into that. I also upload my stream VODs to my second channel, and I've forgotten to do that for 2 weeks too, so I am behind on this also. But aren't we all? Aren't we all behind on everything always? Yeah. And I normally stream on Saturdays at noon, but I don't know, the streams are all over the place. Hopefully next Saturday we'll have another stream. Might try and do a typing stream in the middle of the week. We'll see. Oh, I got a prediction. Yeah, prediction. Right. We gotta resolve our prediction. Choose outcome. Yes. Congrats, believers. There's all your points. I'm not subbed to my own VODs channel. It's true. But I'm snubbed. I'm snubbed. I'm subbed to Snow's channel. Yeah. All right. But yeah, join the Discord. Come hang out with us. There's a bunch of fun social channels. There's a beginners channel if you want to ask programming questions. And that's where I announce streams. So go check that out. 1111, yeah. Also, I'm getting very close to 40K subscribers on YouTube. We're almost there. Then I'll be 40% of my way to the goal. Yeah, because I want a stupid YouTube play button. I know that you have to pay for it at 100K to get it because there's so many of them, but that would be really cool for me. Anyway, that's what's wrapping us up for today. Let's go find someone to raid.